Hello friends, this is Faisal Abbas, and in this video I am going to discuss how you can add the other people in your business manager. So first of all, we need to again come to the business settings option, and here are the different options under the user, like people or partner. In this video I am going to discuss how we can add the other people in the people section. So just click on this people section, and here you will see this add option. So you need to click on this add option, and from here you need to provide the email address here. So just example, I am putting my other email. So after putting the email, there are the further two options: assign business role, employee access, or the admin access. So if you are getting like if you want to get the full access, you can get this admin access, because for the iOS updates, account like domain verification, setting up aggregated events, for all those things you need to have the admin access. So I am just clicking on this admin access, and then if you like don't want to set up aggregated events or any other thing, the employee is already fine, and that is already selected. But right now I am selecting the admin access as well, and then we need to click on this next option. Okay, after coming to this point, the pop-up appear under the pages. There are the two options: new page experience or the classic pages. So I have created one of the classic page, and selecting this page, then we need to get this full control access. View earning inside, that is automatically off. If you want to also get that option, you can click on this option. Or even with the publish content option, you can also manage the ads. But again, I am like I want to get the full access of the page and ad account, so that's why I am clicking on this option. Then click on the add accounts. So click on the ad account name, and then again I want to get the full access of the ad account, so I will set up the aggregated events, domain verification, all those type of the things. So just click on this option. And if you have created any catalogs, you can select the again catalog with the same process. Similarly for the apps, and then the pixels and the Instagram. Pixel access is again necessary for setting up the custom conversions, aggregated events, domain verification, all those type of the thing. And then after this one, under the pixel, again I want the full control of this one, and then click on the invite button. So similarly, if you are getting the access from client, ask your client to follow these all steps. Click on the invite button and click on done. So there are sometimes the glitch appear, like you can see under this email, the assigned asset only page and pixel is appearing. So again, in this case, you need to again click on add assets, or this one add asset option, and from here click on the add accounts again. Select the add account and manage add account and save changes. So now you can see all the access, like page access, ad account access, pixel access, or if you have also added catalog or app access, so all those will appear under the name of that person to whom you are providing the access. So in this way, like you can give the access of your business manager ad account to other persons.